Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your iPhone runs iOS 13 or later and that your Apple ID is active. Once done, open the App Store and download Panda VPN, tap Get and Authenticate. Make sure to grant the app permission to send notifications and request network configuration when prompted. This step lets Panda install the VPN profile securely. After installation, open the app so you can move immediately to account setup and configuration without wasting time on extra device changes. Now sign in with your Panda VPN account or create one. Verify your email if the app asks. Once logged in, choose a server based on country, lowest latency, or a specialty server for streaming or P2P. Make sure to allow the VPN configuration prompt so the iPhone trusts Panda VPN. Next, pick a protocol if available. Automatic is fine, but you can choose UDP or TCP for stability. Tap Connect and watch the status change to Connected. Once connected, verify the VPN by checking your IP and geolocation in the app or via a quick IP check page. Make sure the location matches your chosen server. Enable Auto Connect and the Kill Switch in Panda settings so your traffic stays protected if the VPN drops. If you can't connect, first toggle airplane mode on for 10 seconds and off to reset networking. If that fails, sign out, reinstall the app, and confirm your subscription is active. Those steps resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.